proud to present our show. We have an orchestra, magicians, clowns, and singers and dancers. the famous magicians in the Basque Country. First, Lorea and her trick. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have a ordinary pack of cards. I need a volunteer.
Come on, don't be shy.
You do a card, please.
What?
Show it to the audience, but don't show it to me. Have you all seen it?
Yes.
Now put it back on the top of the pack of cards. Now I will shuffle it. Silence, please. I need to go there. What is the card?
It was.
Thank you, Lorea, for your trick. Now let's welcome Johnny and her card trick.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick, here I have an ordinary pack of cards. Now I'm going to take top card and show it to you. All you seen the card? Yes. Now I'm going to put it back on the top of the pack. Now I'm going to put it at the bottom of the pack. There. Now we need some magic words. Abracadabra, tap, tap, tap. Card come back to the top of the pack. Was this the card?
Yes.
Incredible! Now Nerea and Shaima and they trick.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for our trip we need one volunteer. Is there a volunteer? Come on, don't worry, it's very easy. Now I'm going to go out and you are going to touch one card, and when I come back I will guess which card is what. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, see you in a minute. Bye. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, choose one card, attach with your finger.
This
Now the last card is one. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's make it simple.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for our trick, we need 3 chairs and a volunteer to each trick. Here we have the 3 chairs. Now we need a volunteer. Is there a volunteer? I can't see anything through it. Choose one of the 3 chairs. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. And sit down, please. Machine, can you guess which chair the volunteer is sitting on? Are you ready? Come on, you can do it. Silence, please. You are sitting on chair number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick, here I have a coin and an ordinary glass. I am going to make the coin disappear. First, I put the coin on the paper. Now, I place my magic cloth over the glass and the glass over the money. Now, I say my magic words. Abracadabra, abracabuni, where is the missing money? The coin has disappeared. Magic. Fantastic market. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick, I have this beautiful scarf. Watch this scarf carefully. Now, I'm going to pass the scarf through my neck. Do you believe that? One, two, three.
Very John. Thank you. Now, Mark and Antasio and the short trip.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for our we need new volunteers for this trip. Are there any volunteers?
Now we are going to take off your shoes. Watch this. Now I am to the bottoms of the collar. Now I am at the bottoms of the cars.
Finally, I get the mind word. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I'm going to pull your head right off.
Oh no, nothing happened.
Abracadabra, abracadabra, I'm going to pull your head right off.
Thank you, Mark and Antasio. Now, Mayalen and her drink.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my drink. Here I have 3 coins. 1, 2, 3. And 1 is not placed. Now I need a volunteer. Show me your hands, please. As you can see the 3 coins. Now I'm going to throw the coins in your hands. Send me to concentrate. There are 6 coins in your hands.
Fantastic, Mayalen. Now we finish with our fantastic magicians, Anne and her trick.